Welcome to a Foxy Tech Tips tutorial on enabling auto diving when submerged on the Apple Watch Ultra 2. If you find this tutorial helpful, please consider subscribing to my channel and liking the video. Press the digital crown to open the App menu. Tap the Settings cog to open Settings. Scroll down Settings and select General. Scroll down the General settings and tap Auto Launch. Under When Submerged, you can choose Off Selected App or Remain on Watch Face. To enable auto diving when submerged, you need to choose Selected App. If you scroll down to Threshold when submerged, you can choose between Immediately and at 1 meter. And that draws an end to this tutorial. Please like the video if you found it helpful and subscribe to Foxy Tech Tips for more Apple Watch Ultra tips and tricks.